More statistics from International Labor Organization. People are reported to be trafficked from 127 countries to be exploited in 137 countries, affecting every continent and every type of economy. Soki is still joining us, like you said earlier. It's a big business, kaya mahirap pahintuin. Dahil ang makakalaban natin talagang mga makakapangyarihang mga tao, sindikato, organisasyon. But, you know, I know that we can still do something. What can we do?
Oo nga, kaya nga siguro tinulak ako ng Diyos para masulat ko tong play na to. And ang dream ko talaga is for this 30 minutes foul play to speak in international languages kasi very powerful ang preventive education.
And when you speak about that, it reminds me of what we talked about earlier in Belgium, na nagkaroon ng maganda at positibong bunga yung pagpapalabas mo ng play na ito.
Actually, yung 50,000 video copies ko was funded by the government of Belgium.
Wow.
And nag-perform din kami sa Washington, D.C., supported by the President Committee on Women before. At yun nga, we want these videos were distributed to schools, to churches, wherever, para talaga magkaroon ng massive education. Tsaka hindi lang yun, to prevent the future actors, you know, kasi industry to, merong tinatawag na the economics of sex trafficking, merong demand side, at merong tinatawag na supply side.
Yes.
Ngayon, kung i-educate natin yung young people, young men, no, kasama na yung mga tatay nila, yung mga uncle nila, para wag bumili ng negosyo, ng pagbibenta ng babae at batang babae at lalaki sa sex market, ganun din in-educate natin yung supply side so that young women will not sell themselves in the sex market.
It's basically as simple as this. Kung walang demand, walang supply. And what struck me earlier, Soki, was when we were talking in the green room and you said, ikaw may mga anak kang lalaki. At binibilinan mo sila. Ano yon? Iparinig mo sa ating mga viewers so they know what to tell their sons as well.
Actually, sa karanasan ko, napakaganda na ang dalawang anak kong lalaki, nasa Manila sila nga, and they're only 21 and 17. They have attended this very good program sponsored by the Coalition Against Trafficking in Women. Itong young students advancing gender equality.
Okay.
And they are being taught about gender sensitivity, prostitution, and exploitation of women. Kaya yun na, I'm so proud that yung mga anak ko, kahit pa paano, nasabihan ko sila na anak, sana naman huwag kang bumili ng babae for sexual pleasures.
Yes.
At ganoon din yung anak kong babae, never that there are other ways to make money, please don't sell yourself in the prostitution or trafficking market.
Oo. And maganda yung sinabi mo, dahil nga naman, kung walang pupunta sa mga prostitution dens, walang tatangkilik, walang need para magbenta.
Kaya napakagandang preventive education buhat sa pamilya, sa mga anak na babae, sa kanilang mga uncle, sa kanilang mga tatay na, hey, wag naman nating bilhin ng babae at mga batang babae at lalaki para sa ating sexual pleasures because we need to treat women and men with equal dignity and protection.
Wonderful, wonderful message, and an even more wonderful and enlightening and amazing play, foul play. Unfortunately, you had a performance last Sunday. Meron pa bang mauulit nito para naman makapanood naman sila?
Actually, kaya pinalabas yung play ko. Gusto namin na tumihingi kami ng tulong, Janelle, para sa international language translation nitong 30 minutes foul play. Ang pangarap namin dito sa LA, magkaroon ng talagang English version at Spanish adaptation and version nitong play na to. Then later on na yung mga international languages. Because this is really a global evil that we really need to combat. All of us, all at the same time, through preventive education.
Palagi po namin sinasabi dito sa Kababayan LA, ang tao po hindi nabubuhay sa pera lang. Kaya big business nga ito ng pera para sa mga taong mga sakim, gustong kumita ng pera at the expense of others. We can, if we all unite, we can combat this evil, gaya ng sinabi ni Soki. That's the number to call on the screen. They need volunteers, they need funding, they need a lot, they need actors na mag-a-act dito sa play na ito, mag-i-interpret ng play na ito, and they need a website. So marami pong kailangan, and if you can do something, please do that. That's the number to call on the screen. For now, Soki, thank you so much, and more power to you.
Maraming salamat din, Janelle.
All right. Thank you so much for joining us today on Kababayan LA. Again, this has been Janelle Sawyer, Kababayan in Los Angeles. Sana po merong kayong natutunan. Makita-kita po tayo ulit bukas.